writing formula. Can someone come and find the X for me?
You too lie.
Papa,
You too lie.
You are the back. You! Stand up. Get up!
Good morning, ma.
What are you discussing in my class?
Is it with my G?
You are discussing with your friends. What were you discussing in my class?
Okay, it's one boy. We are just discussing that after class we go and beat the boy. See, I go put down for the boy, but do. That boy know the year, but I will too beat him. But I feel rush with two.
You are inside my class. Why are you not putting on your uniform? Why? Other people are in black and white and you're not putting on your uniform. Why? What happened to your uniform?
It's rat and cockroach that mess for my school.
bros, why do you
I don't follow
You're beating my students in my class. Are you okay?
You don't give me food shop for break time.
Oh yeah, come and find the X.
I should what?
Come and find the X.
Actually, I don't have ex, so. But if you can date me, you can be my ex. You're funny, but you're funny.
I said you should come and find the X.
I'm fine. Okay. I know what. So your writing is not even fine, so. Area! Yeah! Oppo. Let me go now find handwriting. What is this, students?
BitDCE.
What are you teaching in my class? What are you teaching in my class? Can you imagine? I said you should find the X. What are you teaching in my class? I said, what are you teaching in my class?
No, calm down. I never bring out parents. You get man slap me a bit. I for put down for your body woto.
You will put down body for my woto.
Yes.
My body?
Yes.
You put down for my body woto.
You don't fit do anything.
Don't worry. I'm going to call principal for you.
I go choose principal beret. So, this digital currency exchange is the platform where you can buy, sell, invest, and earn your cryptocurrency and other leading digital assets without being worried of any scam. They have been empowering traders and investors. So no fear, stay there with your 100%. To register is very easy. Just download the app from your Play Store and App Store and verify your registration with your ID. That is to confirm say you legit and say the app still legit. Finish. You can from there start your financial freedom and start chilling like me too. I hope you guys enjoy my class. Yes. And I understand my OGB. So cryptocurrency can change your life. See, cryptocurrency, if you invest, see, you go just do like big man, you go to Buga, you go to Zekoto, you understand. So everybody, who they follow you laugh, who they follow you laugh. So everybody bring out your phone and download the app. Bring out your phone and download the app. I know say bring beret. I said bring out your phone. You too rugged.